Hello, my denture family. Good Wednesday to you all. It's a little after midnight, so I'm wishing everyone a good Wednesday. Oh my gosh, I just felt that in my word. I am wearing my acrylics that I have not worn in almost a year. They've just been put up. They look pretty damn good, actually. But today was cleaning day for my dentures, whether they're my dentures, personal dentures, or my displays. It was time to really give a good cleaning. That's why I'm not wearing my horseshoe, but also I had some teeth jewelry added today. On the lower, these are safe, whether they're your God-given teeth or your denture. They don't remove or come off when you're eating, you swallow them. No, they're very safe, easy to remove too, and they don't damage your dentures. So anyway, also I've been playing with lip plumpers. I got some today. I was going to do a review on them, but I'm not. But I feel my words not coming out right. I feel different, especially when my tongue hits the palate, the full palate. But anyway, okay, this is a Q&A, and I want to say thank you very much, Tiffany, for your question. And also, I know Thursday you start your mouth healthy journey. Speedy recovery to you. All right, the question is, let me see if I can get this here. I'm so tired, y'all. Okay, her question is, will dentures change my appearance? Yes, it will. Out with the old and with the new. Definitely. The smile alone, it's awesome. Yes, it is. Now, once you place those dentures in your mouth, you're definitely going to feel different. You're going to have temporary monkey mouth. That's where it's up here. It looks like a like that. It's just temporary, but yeah. But overall, it's good. It gives you that new smile, beautiful smile. Now for me, what took the longest to accept and adjust to was at night when I was pulling my denture out. And when I pull them out, the facial muscles sag, sink in, make you look older than what you are. And so that took a little time, but at my 2-year mark, as of this week, I am totally have accepted and adjusted to being a denture wearer. I'm very happy. So yeah, it does change your appearance for the good. Absolutely. It just takes time just to accept and get used to. It is what it is. It is your life, you know. Now, there is a website that I love to go to. It is Sharecare.com. If you haven't heard about them, it's a great place to get questions answered by professionals. You just type your question in, whether it's a health question, oral health, or denture question. A lot of professionals answer. I love it. You'll scroll down to the bottom. There's blogs, solutions, a health guide. There's a lot of great stuff on there, so check it out. Oops. I'll leave the link in the description. Real quick, I hope you tune in Monday. Denta Buddy will be here. I'm very excited. She is bringing along a good friend of hers. She is a medical doctor, so that's a bonus. I'm very excited. So I hope you tune in, sit and chat with us. She's going to introduce herself, her company, her product, and I hope you do the same. Come introduce yourself to her. She is part of our denture community, denture family. Also, you know, to those that might be sitting back right now, you know, maybe making fun of me or whatever about plumping my lips when I choose to, it's just temporary. Or doing the teeth jewelry, it's just temporary. It's just things that I am making up, having fun with, comfortable in my new smile. Things I haven't been able to do because of the severe crowding, especially the lipstick. It was always chapstick or gloss, and I love to wear colored lipstick now. Anything that directed towards this area I would never do prior, before my E-Day. No earrings, just didn't feel comfortable. So I'm doing a lot of making up, that's for sure, whether it's smiling, temporary pumping for that fullness. I never ever had an issue with my lower, but it's since I had my teeth pulled, I feel like a little more plumpness would be nice on the top, because I'm not anyone to get any kind of injections. So it's just fun. Dang, these look good, guys. For being a year, you know, I haven't worn them a year. They've been sitting in the damn water. They look freaking good. These are my second set from Russell Klein. Yeah, they're very nice. But I'm going to pull my teeth out real quick and then I'm off of here. I'm tired. I want to go finish my movie too. But I'll show you the difference. See, watch. When I pull them out, I'm not going to talk either. Because for some reason, I don't talk that good anymore without my dentures. I feel, it's weird. It's a weird feeling. But let me show you. No adhesive. See? You know, I am comfortable, but I am a very proud denture wearer. I'm very happy, you know. And to those that just start in the journey or been in the journey for a little bit, maybe a couple weeks to a month, and you're still struggling with something, just hang in there, okay? Just hang in there. Don't give up on yourself or your dentures or whatever the situation is. Just hang in there, okay? Wishing you the best. I will see you Monday, guys, and I will definitely see you in the comments section. Peace. Bye.